Hello, everybody. My name is Jackson Wingler, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a subtask in a task in projects. So first, you're going to go ahead and go over here to the left, and you're going to go ahead and pull up the projects tab right here. It'll show all the projects that you currently have within your system specifically. Now, to go ahead and create a task through your project, you're going to go over here to preview, go right on over here to task. As you can see, it's all the regular basic task items, but down here at the bottom, there's now subtasks. Now, in this subtask, you can go ahead and create whatever you need to create. So, for example, if I were to be creating a workflow task where I send this out to you and I say, hey, please create a workflow for me. These subtasks would be something like create the enrollment trigger, test it, turn it on, make sure it's working properly. Or if you need a reoccurring subtask, you can go ahead and create one that says go in there and see who has been being added or what the workflow is doing. But something simple like that. Or if you needed a landing page task where it just says create a landing page. Some important subtasks would be to choose a template, edit the template, create a CTA, send to the segment, create a marketing email for it, so on, so on. These subtasks are very important for giving some specific details for things that are coming next or things that you need to do within a certain task. But that's about it for the video today. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Jackson Wingler with Convergence. I hope you have a great day.